The University of Lincoln is one of the UK's newest centres of higher education. It was established in the 90s and is centrally positioned in this historic city where new very much meets old. Like any modern organisation, IT is critical to all university operations throughout the campus, from teaching rooms, lecture halls, labs and engineering workshops to students' halls and even cafes. Although we operate a central data centre, as well as several HPC clusters to support research, we're actually highly dependent on SaaS and cloud applications. This means we're also dependent on power and the availability of our edge server rooms. We have over 110 Schneider Electric single-phase and three-phase UPSs in edge installations in our 25 campus buildings. Each provides 60 minutes runtime for the equipment and services they support. PoE-powered Wi-Fi routers and switches, to sensors and CCTV cameras. To ensure everything is working as it should, we work with Schneider's elite partner, RMD UK. The maintenance and services they provide assures essential uptime. We've installed APC PDUs and NetBot sensors to our edge server rooms, and we gather data using Schneider Electric EcoStruxure IT Expert management software. This has enabled us to lower the cooling energy cost of each room. It's one measure to take bigger strides towards our net zero ambitions. At the same time, we keep systems operating to ensure a great student experience. Working together with Schneider Electric and RMD to meet reliability, efficiency and sustainability goals, the IT team at the University of Lincoln has given an edge to higher education.